This dance is called Back in Love by Monday. It's a 64 count, 2 wall, high beginner stroke improver level line dance. Starting on the right foot with some sugar feet. So you're going to touch the ball of the right beside the left, scuff the right forward, and then cross the right slightly over the left. Ball, scuff, cross. Hold. Repeat with the left foot. Ball, scuff, cross, hold. That set of steps once more then. Sugar feet off on the right. 7, 8. Ball, scuff, cross, hold. Ball, scuff, cross, hold. Go forward on a step, lock, step. Right foot leading. Step, lock, step, hold. Step forward on the left, pivot a quarter turn right, cross the left over the right, hold. That set of steps once more then. Step lock off on the right. 7, 8. Step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, cross, hold. There are a few holds in this dance. So let's add those two sections together. Sugar foot off on the right. 7, 8. Ball, scuff, cross, hold. Ball, scuff, cross, hold. Step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, cross, hold. Into a little vine to the right. So we set the right to the side, cross the left behind, right to the side, cross the left over the right. Add on a mambo cross, rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, cross the right over the left. That set of steps once more then, vining to the right. Off on the right. 7, 8. Side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, hold. Let's add that to the top. Sugar foot off on the right. 7, 8. Ball, scuff, cross, hold. Ball, scuff, cross, hold. Step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, cross, hold. Side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, hold. Another mambo cross, left foot leading, so we rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, cross the left over the right. Stomp the right beside the left, don't put any weight on it, because you're now going into some heel switches, starting with the right foot. So you're going to touch the right heel forward, step the right beside the left, touch the left heel forward, step the left beside the right. So that set of steps once more. Mambo cross off on the left. 7, 8. Mambo, cross, stomp, heel and. That's our halfway point. Let's take it up to there. Sugar foot off on the right. 7, 8. Ball, scuff, cross, hold. Ball, scuff, cross, hold. Step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, cross, hold. Side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, hold. Mambo, cross, stomp, heel and. Second half of the dance then. Touch the right heel forward, touch the right toe back, touch the right heel forward, flick the right back into a little vine to the right. Side, behind, side, stomp. So that little set of steps once more then. Heel toe touches off on the right. 7, 8. Heel, toe, heel, flick, side, behind, side, stomp. So again, when you do that stomp, don't put any weight on it, because we're going to go off with that left foot, doing a similar set of heel, toe touches. So we're going to touch the left forward, left heel forward, touch the left back, touch the left heel forward, flick the left back into half a rumba box. So we're going to step the left to the side, right beside left, step the left forward, hold. That set of steps once more then, heel toe touch off on the left. 7, 8, heel, toe, heel, flick, side, close, step, hold. Let's add that to our halfway point. Heel toe touches off on the right. 7, 8, heel, toe, heel, flick, side, behind, side, stomp. Heel, toe, heel, flick, side, close, step, hold. Add on a chassé to the right. We're going to put a quarter turn on the end. So we step the right to the side, left beside right, quarter turn, left. So we're going to step the right back and hold. Chassé to the left, quarter turn on the end. We are turning left. So we step the left to the side, right beside left, quarter turn left as we step that left forward, hold. That set of steps once more then. Chassé to the right, off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, turn, hold, side, close, turn, hold. Let's add that to our halfway point. Heel toe touches off on the right. 7, 8, heel, toe, heel, flick, side, behind, side, stomp. Heel, toe, heel, flick, side, close, step, hold. Side, close, turn, hold, side, close, turn, hold. We're going to do yet another chassé to the right with a quarter turn, making another left turn. So we step the right to the side, left beside right, quarter turn left as we step that right back, hold. Add on a coaster step, left foot leading, back close step, hold, end of dance. So that set of steps once more then, that's chassé to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, close, turn, hold, coaster, step, hold. Add that to our halfway point. Toe heel switch off on the right. 7, 8, toe, heel, toe, flick, side, behind, side, stomp. Toe, heel, toe, flick, side, close, step, hold. Side, close, turn, hold, side, close, turn, hold, side, close, turn, hold, coaster, step, hold. Now those 3 chassés with that quarter turn on each do make the equivalent of a 3/4 turn. Have a go, see how you get on. You may be able to manage that 3/4 of a turn, given the speed of the music and the type of steps that it actually is. However, if you do struggle to do that 3/4 of a turn, there are some alternative steps that you can do. Now try to keep you moving in the same direction as everybody else whilst you do this. So for your first chassé, just chassé to the right, side, close, side, do not turn. Shuffle back on the left, back, close, back. So you're still moving in the same direction as everybody else. For the third chassé, you're going to do another back shuffle, but you're going to put a quarter turn right on to start with. So that quarter turn right as you step back, close, back, and then you can add on that coaster step at the end. So it's non-turning steps should you need to try and take out that equivalent 3/4 turn with those 3 chassé quarter turn steps. Otherwise, that is the 2 halves. Let's put them together. Sugar foot off on the right. 7, 8, ball, scuff, cross, hold, ball, scuff, cross, hold. Step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, cross, hold. Side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, hold, mambo, cross, stomp, heel, and heel toe, heel, flick, side, behind, side, stomp, heel, toe, heel, flick, side, close, step, hold, side, close, turn, hold, side, close, turn, hold, side, close, turn, hold, coaster, step, hold. So that's your dance. Not an and count in sight. But it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall, and we'll keep going when we get back to the front, so you can see how the walls join together. Sugarfoot off on the right. 7, 8, ball, scuff, cross, hold, ball, scuff, cross, hold, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, cross, hold, side, behind, side, cross, side, mambo, cross, hold, mambo, cross, stomp, heel, and heel, toe, heel, flick, side, behind, side, stomp, heel, toe, heel, flick, side, close, step, hold, side, close, turn, hold, side, close, turn, hold, side, close, turn, hold, coaster, step, hold. So ball, scuff, cross, step, lock, step, step, pivot, cross. Side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, stomp, heel, and heel, toe, heel, flick, side, behind, side, stomp, heel, toe, heel, flick, side, close, step, side, close, turn, side, close, turn, side, close, turn, coaster, step. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to no music. Five, 6, 7, 8, ball, scuff, cross, step, lock, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, stomp, heel, toe, heel, flick, side, behind, side, stomp, heel, toe, heel, flick, side, close, step, side, close, turn, side, close, turn, side, close, turn, coaster, step, ball, scuff, cross, step, lock, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, stomp, heel, toe, heel, flick, side, behind, side, stomp, heel, toe, heel, flick, side, close, step, side, close, turn, side, close, turn, side, close, turn, coaster, step, ball, scuff, cross, step, lock, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, stomp, heel, toe, heel, flick, side, behind, side, stomp, heel, toe, heel, flick, side, close, step, side, close, turn, side, close, turn, side, close, turn, coaster, step, sugar fizz, step, lock, 5, mambo, cross, heel, toe, chassés, Sugarfoot, nine, heel, toe, chassés, Sugarfoot, 5, heel, toe, chassés,
Before we bury our love, let's make sure we let it die. Each sleep we feel our mind is not back in love by Monday. We can go our separate ways. We're not back in love by Monday.
Hope you managed that one.